¿Para qué me mires? I don't really know how long now.
So hello guys, we are back with another quiz. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to remain updated. Also follow us on TikTok and Instagram. Our handle is same Dr. Buzz Lectures. Let's go on to today's topic, which is urea cycle quiz. I will suggest you to watch first the urea cycle lecture so your queries will be cleared. I will also give the link in the description. Let's go on to the first question. The urea cycle occurs in. As we know, it is a simple answer that urea cycle happens in two locations of the liver cell, which is mitochondria and the cytoplasm. The second question is the rate determining step of urea cycle is. As we know, the first step which happens in the mitochondria is a rate determining step in which uh, ammonia with addition of carbon dioxide and two ATP molecules convert itself into carbamyl phosphate with the help of enzyme called carbamyl phosphate synthase 1. So here we have to write the answer carbamyl phosphate synthase 1, which is also regulated and its affinity is increased by N-acetyl glutamate. So let's go on to the third question. Urea cycle is a cycle of biochemical reactions that produces dash from dash. As we know that urea cycle, urea is produced from the ammonia molecule which comes from all over the body to the liver cell. So the next question is the two nitrogen in urea cycle are taken from. It is a real little bit difficult because you have to understand is the one nitrogen comes from ammonia or from where the second comes. So students, you should know this, the second nitrogen comes from aspartate. Let's go on to the fifth question. A molecule dash activates carbamyl phosphate synthase 1. There is only one molecule N-acetyl glutamate which is produced by acetyl CoA and glutamate addition which produces N-acetyl glutamate. The last one is deficiency of which enzyme is the most common cause of higher ammonia in the body. So as we know that ornithine is converted into citrulline with the help of ammonia. There one enzyme works which is ornithine transcarbamylase. Sorry for the mistake in lecture. I told ornithine transaminase, but it is ornithine transcarbamylase. So here were some short questions which you should know about urea cycle and nitrogen cycle before attempting any exam questions. So I hope so by reviewing these questions you have reviewed all your queries regarding urea cycle. Now let's move on to the MCQ ones. Firstly, I have to tell you that in every exam, Plab, Usmle, all the questions are same, but the descriptions are only different. I pick some main question, which is the main part of the question. It is same in all exams, so I have taken some MCQs which is same in all exams but description is different, so I have took their main part in it. So as you can see, there is not a long description, there is only the main part. So let's move on to the first question. Which of the following is the step new happens in mitochondria? So here we have to tell which step happen in mitochondria. So only two steps happen in mitochondria. So arginine is converted to into urea into plus ornithine, no. Alpha ketoglutarate plus ammonia into glutamate, no. It is not happening in mitochondria. Citrulline plus aspartate to arginosuccinate, it also happens in cytoplasm. So the only last option is left and it is the right answer, that ammonia plus carbon dioxide with the help of 2 ATP it is converted into carbamyl phosphate. It happens in mitochondria. Second question is which of the following best describe the location of mitochondria? It is a simple answer that cytoplasm and mitochondria is the location where urea cycle happens. The last question is, so there is a reaction First reaction, ammonia, carbon dioxide, and 2-ATP convert to carbamyl phosphate with the help of enzyme called carbamyl phosphate synthase 1. So which of the following regulate this reaction? As we know that only one molecule, N-acetylglutamate, which activates or increase the affinity of CPS1. N-acetylglutamate is produced by addition of acetyl coenzyme and glutamate. So these were some MCQ. Don't be upset that they are I have told you only 3 MCQs, because all the MCQs in different exam are same, so I picked those which help you in future. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please press the like button. If you have any queries, watch the lecture video again. I will come back again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.
But give me reading.